Let us now try to understand how do we find equation of a line for different given conditions. So we'll consider 2 points. We'll consider a point and a slope. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take up 6 or 7 questions where we'll find equation of line from given conditions. These are the questions from our question bank, which included 60 problems on lines. Lines where the equation was given in slope-intercept form. Question number 31. Write equation of line passing through the points A, 0, 2 with gradient 2, 3. So we are given two conditions. We are given a point A whose coordinates are 0, 2, and the gradient means slope, m, is equal to 2 by 3. Now equation of a line can be written as y equals to mx plus b. Now here clearly we are given both the things, right? So in case you want to sketch this particular line, you know that the line has got a slope of 2 over 3 and it goes through the y-intercept 2. So line is kind of like this, right? Where this point here is point A, right, which is the y-intercept 2, and 2 over 3 means you go up 2 units, right, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, and get the line. So that is what the line is. So clearly the equation is y equals to 2 over 3x plus 2, right? So here we are given both the important key parameters to write down the equation. Simple as that. Question 32. Write equation of the line passing through the point A, which is minus 2, 6 with gradient of minus 2. So we are given a point whose coordinates are minus 2, 6, and we are given gradient or slope of minus 2. So the line will be y equals to minus 2x plus b, correct? To find the value of b, what should you do? Substitute the point, right? So here, this is the x value and that is the y value, correct? So we have 6 as equal to minus 2 times minus 2 plus b. So we get 6 equals to plus 4 plus b, or 6 minus 4 equals to b. So that is 2. And therefore, we can write down the equation as y equals to minus 2x plus 2. Is that clear to you? Right? So basically, substitute the point to find the y-intercept. Next question here. We are again given a point A, which is in this case 8, 6, right? And we are given the gradient 2, 3. The question is write equation of line passing through the point A, 8, 6 with gradient of 2, 3. So the equation has to be y equals to 2 by 3 x plus b. Now to find the value of b, we have to use the given point, right? So let's write down 6 as the y value, 2 by 3 of 8, right? The x value plus b. So that gives you 6 equals to 16 over 3 plus b, and 6 minus 16 over 3 is b, which is 18 minus 16 over 3. And that gives you 2 over 3, right? So now, once we know the value of b, which is 2 over 3, we can write equation as y equals to 2 over 3x plus 2 over 3. Perfect. So that is how you can do it. Well, some of you can convert this to standard form. So let this be an additional exercise, and that is convert to standard form. Perfect. Let's move on. Take the next question, which is write equation of a line passing through origin, right? Which means 0, 0, with gradient of 9. So it goes through the point O, which is 0, 0, and gradient of 9. So it's a direct variation. So y equals to 9x, correct? Question 35. Write equation of a line passing through the points given to us. Let's call them as A and B. So A is given to us 2, 3, and B is given to us as minus 3, 3. So do you see that y values are same, right? So it is a horizontal line, right? You can notice that, right? Whose equation should be y equals to 3. But well, if you want to go through the standard way of doing it, so what is the slope m? M is y2 minus y1. So we write 3 minus 3 over minus 3 minus 2, which is 0. Since the slope is 0, the equation y equals to mx plus b will reduce to y equals to 0 plus b, which is b, right? And the b is just the y value. Is that clear to you, right? So when I substitute any point, I will get b as y, correct? So y is same as b, right? So y equals to b is the equation, and here b will be the y value of 3, and therefore the equation is y equals to 3. Is that clear to you? Next question is, we have find equation of line passing through the point 3, 0 and 0, 4. So we're given points, let's say A, which is 3, 0 for us, and B is 0, 4, correct? So how do you find this equation? Well, let's find the slope m, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So let's find slope first. So which is, you can take any point as the first, any point as the second. Let's say b is the second point. So y2 will be 4, 4 minus 1, and then 0 minus 3, correct? So we have a negative 4 over 3 as the slope. So we can write y equals to negative 4 over 3x plus b. Well, b is given to you, right? So whenever x is 0, b is the y value. So we know here that b equals to 4, correct? Substitute 4 here. So we get y equals to minus 4 over 3 x plus 4. Makes sense? So that is how you get this equation. Perfect. So with that, we come to almost the end, and here is the last question for you to do. It is write equation of line passing through these 2 points, right? So we are given points A and B, which is minus half 3, and point B is given to us as 1, 2, right? So follow the method. We need to write the equation in the form of y equals to mx plus b, where m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Clear? So I'd like you to now pause the video, answer this particular question. Correct? Let's complete it. So m is 2 minus 3, let's say, right? 2 minus 3, change in y value, divided by change in x, 1 minus half, we'll make it plus half, right? So which is minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, taking common denominator, so minus 2 over 3, correct? So the equation could be y equals to minus 2 over 3x plus b. To find the value of b, let's put a point here, right? So 1, 2 is a good point. So like 2 equals to minus 2 over 3 times 1, right? And so we get 2 plus 2 over 3 as the value of b, which is 3 times 2, 6 plus 2 over 3, which is 8 over 3. Clear? So we get the equation, which is y equals to the slope, which is minus 2 over 3 times x, plus the value of b, which is 8 over 3. Is that clear to you? So with that, we complete this particular set of questions which were based on finding equation of a line in slope-intercept form using the information given, mainly a point and a slope or two different points, right? So I hope the concept is clear. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. In case you like and subscribe to my videos, it'd be great. And if you want to learn from me, you can send an email on the address given. Thanks for your time and all the best.